on
Yes.
those questions?
Yes.
Except scientific notation, we have completed the whole chapter of powers and exponent. Did you notice that?
No.
No? So that means I have not completed it.
I don't know. I just learned.
Okay, okay. All right. So first of all, see, and one by one, give me your doubts.
I'm having doubt in simplify.
1 second. I'm sharing my screen. So, first question. Who is giving me the first question?
Uh,
Hmm.
what?
Please, who is giving me the first question? Fazil or Omid?
For what?
For doubts?
I'm saying that I'm having doubts in all the laws of exponents.
Okay.
I
So,
don't need to simplify them if they come in the question like simplify.
okay. So, what is the question? Simplify what?
3 raised to the power of 6 and 9 raised to the power of 4.
Should I put multiplication sign in between?
Yes.
That's the question.
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, it is giving you 8 raised to power 6 and 9 raised to power 4. Hmm.
Yes.
That's a very huge number. So you can do one thing, like how
Raised to
can you write 8? Do prime
3 raised to the
factorization.
power of 6.
How
It
can you
is
write 8?
it is not 8 raised to the power of 6, it is 3 raised to the power of 6.
8 is what? Should it be 2 raised to power 3? Let's do prime factorization of 8. Okay. 2 for the 8, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2. So how could I write 8? 2 into 2 into 2. And what is it?
It is 8 raised to the power of 3.
2 raised to the power 3.
2 raised to the power of 3.
Okay. So what I'm going to do in place of 8, I'm putting the brackets and writing 8 instead of 8, I'm writing 2 raised to power 3. Is it fine?
Yes.
And similarly, in place of 9, I am putting the brackets and 4 power as it is. How could I write 9?
3 raised to the power of 3.
3 raised to the power 2.
Okay.
Okay. Now see, there is a power over power. Power over power. So what will the powers will do?
Multiply.
They will multiply. So 3 into 6. And similarly, 3 raised to power, what will happen between the powers?
Multiply.
Yes. So that is 2 raised to power 6 3 the
18. 2 raised to
hmm,
the power of 18.
and 3 raised to power
8.
8. And that's your answer. No need to solve it further because you can't solve 2 raised to power 18. That's way beyond.
My question is 3 raised to the power of 6 into 9 raised to the power of 4.
9 raised to power 4, 8 raised to power 6 and 9 raised to power 4. This is the
Not
question.
No, 3 raised to the power of 6 into 9 raised to the power of 4.
Okay, okay. Wait for a second. Okay, that uh, first question, is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, who is giving me the second question? Puzzle again or Omid?
No,
Forgive me because I am not able to recognize the voices in the beginning. It will be gradually I will be able to recognize the voices. Okay. So, second question, who is giving me?
he,
Okay, first tell me, first question was given by whom?
Fazal,
Puzzle. And second question, who is giving me second question?
he,
Puzzle again. Okay, let's take the Omid's question. Omid, please give me your doubt.
okay,
Okay. Okay.
I have the doubt in simplify the following and express as a single power.
Okay. So tell me.
I don't know the question. I have the doubt in this topic.
Okay, this topic, what does it mean?
Yes.
Okay, it simply means you have to simplify. Like let me open the question first. One second. One second. I will open the question first. One second. Oh, I have the question which was simplify and express in single power. Hmm. So the question is, suppose simplify means you have to solve it and express in single power. So basically in the last your answer should come like this with some power. I don't know what is the power, let it be m. Okay, and base be suppose x. So this is the way you have to simplify it. Let's take one example of it. I have the question. The question says C part minus 2 by 5 raised to power minus 3 into 3 by 4 raised to power minus 3.
Should I have to multiply the powers?
So first of all, what you can do is both are having the base power same. So yes, you have to multiply the bases. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now what you can do, can you notice one thing that you can cancel 2 1 the 2 and 2 2 the 4,
Yes.
right? So what will it become? It will be 1 3 the 3 and 5 2 the 10. Got it?
Yes.
And because minus sign is also there, so put minus sign with the power minus 3. See, now you can make one more step. How? You can make the power positive. How? By reciprocate them. So reciprocate it, it will be 10 by minus 3 raised to power 3. Do you remember this rule of the
Yes.
laws of exponents?
Yes.
Right? And we can write, I told you one more thing, that whether the minus is in numerator or in denominator, it does not matter. So you can write it in the numerator also. That is also fine. So this is your answer in single power. See, some base is there and some power is there. Only one power is there. It's not like, okay, one number has different power, another number has different power. No, only one power of the whole base. So simplify means you can solve it till the step you can solve it, and express it in single power means your ultimate answer should have only one power. Got it?
Yes.
Now tell me any question if you are having doubt in this particular question. Like there are so many examples, like question 4 has so many questions of it. If you have any question, sorry, if you have any doubt in any question, you can tell me.
C minus 2 by 5
Minus 2 by 5, yes,
by 5 minus 3 into 3 by 4 minus 3
that is what I solved it right now.
is all this. Oh, yeah. Hmm.
Okay, next, any other question?
Hmm. Can you teach the laws of exponent again and give examples?
Okay,
I'm having confusion in all that.
in all
I'm
of
having
them.
fifth one. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Simplify and express.
Simplify and express. This is the question. Each of the following in exponential form. This
Yes.
has fifth question. Okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's take one question which is very looking very difficult. Let's take D part of it. Okay,
Okay.
that is 13 raised to power 3 and 7 raised to power 0 upon 65 into 49 whole raised to power 2 bracket raised to power 1. You have to simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Again, simplify means you have to solve it. And express each of the following in exponential form means your ultimate answer should be in power notation or exponential notation. So let's solve it.